Finally time to paint this thing. Pops did it back in the day. Now it's my turn to keep the legacy going. I'm a DIY guy who does it all. Thank you for watching NoShame Nova. Let's get it.
Wow.
Yo, thank you for watching NoShame Nova. This is your boy Dave. We can get this thing cracking. Let's go. Listen, doing this work at home is no easy task, but you know what? I got to get it done, and I don't want to pay anybody to do it, right? So first off, this is just going to be some live footage. I'm going to show you guys me kind of going through the process and the different steps. At the end of the day, I just want to just have a decent body structure so that way I can get some primer on it, get some paint, and look halfway decent at the track. So first I'm gonna get some tape laid on the windows because there are gonna be some spot priming that I'm planning on doing. But at the same time, as I'm doing body work and sanding, it just makes it a little bit easier so that way you have less to clean up on the car as you go through the process. So that's very important to me. Now I got some body work laid down, looks pretty good, I'm happy with it, but I need to see how it's gonna come out. So first thing I'm gonna do is get some primer on here. This is a high 2K fill primer. That way if there's areas that I missed or they were low spots, when I go back and I block sand, get them as straight as possible. I cut out some of the video because this is really long. Now that I've gotten the primer laid down, I'm pretty happy with my body work so far. Well, now it's time to start block sanding. Now I'm gonna wet block sand on this because I'm looking to see if you're gonna have a lot of waves in your body work. I'm working through that process right now. It's very time consuming, definitely worth the extra step though. I really want to ensure that my body work will look as good as it can before I lay any paint or clear on the car. This isn't an ad or anything, but I do like DuraBlock. I bought this 6-piece set off of Amazon. I think it was like 30 bucks or something like that. A lot of hard work, but definitely well worth it. Even just trying to block sand the hood, you want to get as many imperfections out so that way you have a good surface to paint on. As you can see, my pops is here grinding with me, putting in that work to help me make sure that we get a good surface to paint on and that the hood looks really nice. Let me show you a quick walk around of the car. Off topic here, but who doesn't love the sound of a good cam? At this point, I'm gonna get the car rinsed off, get all that dust off, and then I'll begin my final sand before we paint. Here, I'm doing one last scuff over on the car. I'm using 400 grit dry. In some areas, I am doing wet. Main reason is I just wanna make sure that I got every surface on the car ready before I put any paint on it. And once I'm done, I'll roll it in the garage and we'll start to get this thing taped up. So as you can see, I already got my plastic up. I got my tarp down. Car is now in the garage and ready for some color. Keep watching. I got some more videos coming and I'll set up and show you guys the paint process. Thank you for watching.